Your surgery gets done in 3 hours. No overnight stay, no hospital bed, and yet the bill is 50,000 rupees. You say, alright, I'll file a claim. The insurer says, claim rejected. No 24-hour admission. Now what? That's where daycare procedures come in. And today, we're going to simplify this essential but misunderstood benefit in health insurance. Hey everyone, I'm Shashank from Ditto, and in this episode of Health Insurance 101, we'll explain what daycare procedures are, which treatments qualify, and what you should check in your policy to avoid nasty surprises later. And if you're unsure whether your plan covers these, you can always book a free call with Ditto. No jargon, no spam, just clear answers. The link, it's in the description. Now, let's start with the basics. Traditionally, insurance claims were allowed only if you were hospitalized for more than 24 hours. But thanks to medical tech, many surgeries and treatments today are completed in just a few hours. That's where daycare procedures come in. These are treatments that would normally need hospitalization, but now can get done in less than 24 hours due to modern techniques. And yes, they are covered by most modern insurance plans. Examples: cataract surgery, chemotherapy, dialysis, tonsil removal, hernia surgery, knee arthroscopy, and so on. Each insurer usually has a list of 100 to 600 plus such treatments. Some plans now even cover any medically necessary daycare procedures, not just those on the list. But note, it must be done in a hospital or surgical center only, and not just at a doctor's clinic. You'll need discharge summaries and procedures notes to file a claim. Daycare versus OPD. Now, what's the difference between them? If it's a short surgery under medical supervision in a hospital setup, it's called daycare. If it's just a consultation or a basic scan, it's OPD. And OPD isn't usually covered unless you've taken as an add-on. So why is daycare cover a must-have? Because modern healthcare is fast. Cataracts, chemo, kidney stone removal, all of these can cost 50,000 rupees or more per session. And you shouldn't lose a claim just because you didn't stay overnight. So if you're buying insurance for seniors or anyone with chronic conditions, daycare cover is essential. Here's what you should check in your policy. How many procedures are covered? Is it fixed list or an open-ended clause? Is cashless available for daycare? Is there any waiting period for specific procedures? And final tip folks, never assume a treatment is daycare or excluded. Ask your doctor for written documentation and check with your insurer or TPA in advance. And if you want help reading your policy or understanding your options, book a free call with Ditto. We'll make it easy. In the next episode, we'll talk about domiciliary hospitalization, when treatment happens at home but is still covered like regular hospitalization. If this episode helped you, share it with someone who's planning surgery. Let's make India more insurance aware. Happy insurance hunting.